Hello everyone, I am Khyati Mehta and welcome to Crazy Cloud, your go-to channel for all things Salesforce. If you're on the hunt for Salesforce Accredited Professional exam vouchers, guess what? You're in the right place. But before we deep dive into that, let's first understand what the AP exam is all about. The Accredited Professional Credential are available through Partner Learning Camp, which we also call as PLC, which serves as your key to deepening your understanding of Salesforce products and industries. It also equips you with the tools needed for successful project execution and ensures customer success. PLC offers an exclusive platform featuring over 30 accredited professional exams, and they are crafted in a manner that prepares you for these credentials. Just like your Trailhead certifications, achieving accredited professional certifications assists your company in meeting the knowledge check requirement for specific distinctions. This in turn helps customers identify the most suitable partner for their unique needs. So, shall we get into the amazing part on how you can get the opportunity to grab a complimentary accredited professional exam vouchers? But before that, this voucher will only be applicable for Salesforce partner employees. So if you're one, just complete one of the PLC curriculars by December 16, 2023. If you meet all of the qualifications, you can expect the PLC team to send a voucher to your PLC email address within 30 days of completing the curriculum. The tentative voucher distribution dates are also available in the description. Dwell into the details of this promotion on the PLC portal, accessible through the link provided in the description below. If you find this video valuable, make sure to share it with your colleagues, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel for more such amazing Salesforce content.